I'm Stacy Nedley. I'm a project manager with Culpepper Construction. I started out kind of home building and walking houses that were under construction with my dad growing up. So I kind of always had a love for how things went together. I started out in architecture and then I found my way to project management for building construction. And it was a great experience and definitely led to a lot of opening of doors and the ability to make quite a bit of money. Construction as a whole is very undervalued. You can easily make six figures even as a laborer in the field to someone in the office who's running the project and running the show and doing the paperwork. The possibilities are quite endless. It's fun, you get to be on the job, you get to be in the office, you're never stuck in one environment for too long. You all are just one big team making something come to life, and that really fuels your fire to keep pushing and going and creating this beautiful vision. You need to put the grit in, you need to put the work in, but if you will sell yourself, if you will learn all that you can in the beginning, if you are eager and an achiever, you're going to get there quite quickly.